Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we have another ViVo stand. I love these things. These things are amazing. We did a review of this the other day, or yesterday I should say. And now we're going to be building two of these on top of each other. And the mount's going to go right here. So we're going to remove this monitor from the stand. So we should actually shut this down. As you can see, the viewing angle, I already did a review on this already, this monitor. If you look at it, the viewing angle, you can actually see perfectly fine, and you're on a major angle there. So, I've never seen anything that never worked out up to its potential, as you can see. I mean, I like these because you can mix and match, and you could make your own stuff. Like, this here is my own custom setup, using the same technology, the same manufacturer. So I bought multiple sets, and I created this setup. The over-under comes like this, but it's super tall. You can't see it, but the pole keeps going up. I can put a third monitor on top. That's how big this thing is. And then I created another post, and I made an arm, and I extended the arm so I can actually put another ultra-wide 29-inch here. So these things are like the coolest thing ever, and I love it because you can mix and match components from different from the same manufacturer of different kits. And I find that being extremely helpful because if you needed to make something that's different and you don't have it, you can make it. And I like that. That's like huge with me. Alright, so this is the pole for both monitors. So I would suspect, since you put this on and the pole is already extended, you know, we screwed it together, we need to put the first one on here. So, because once you screw the base on, the bottom half of this, you won't be able to get the other monitor stand on. So it's strongly recommended that you do that. Like this. And we're going to tighten it up because this thing is pretty beefy, these screens. So we want to make sure that we have enough height between the two monitors. So we have one here, one at the top, and one at the top of the other pole. And that should be sufficient in terms of height. We can always make adjustments so you can kind of see where we put them. So now we're going to remove this monitor and start mounting it. So we're just going to move this for now over here. Now I already pre-drilled the hole that's here for this component. So this is definitely a much cheaper way of doing it, which I'm not liking it actually. So this goes like so. This is going to be much more difficult to line up. Alright, so we have that one. Well, that was a little rough, I have to say. It is strong and ain't going to go anywhere, but the installation process is completely different than it used to be in the past. I'm not overly impressed. So, it comes with the plates that go in the back of the monitor. The monitor does come with the VESA mount screws pre-installed on the monitor. So you don't have to worry about using the screws that come with the kit, this particular kit. But you could. So nice having the VESA screws built into the monitor, which is a nice touch. Every manufacturer should do that. It makes it easier for sure. You don't have to worry about hoping it comes with screws, or the mount that you use is the correct length of screw. Because sometimes they're too long and then they don't make a good fit. And that's sometimes a big problem. Let's see how this goes on. Number 2. Nice. You can't see it, but it's there. Let me drop it down a bit. There we go. Tilt it on an angle. Nice. And we're going to get power up there. We do have to make some modifications to the power because these things are so short, which is so stupid. I don't know why they made these power cords so short. So we're limited on where we can go with the monitors, which is dumb. It's the only thing I don't like about the power solution here. You don't have a lot of leeway with the power. So as you clearly see, this is really great. This is working out really, really well. The post is pretty sturdy. The little funky, they did it a little different. I'm not really quite sure why they did it this way. The old way was much better when they actually screwed the screws into the bottom plate. This doesn't use that. It has a pin on it and it goes into one of the holes. And so it's much more difficult to actually screw it together because it's not together like one piece. But it doesn't really matter. Once you get it all together, it's nice and sturdy. I cranked down on it. This thing ain't going anywhere. I mean, I really cranked down on this. It's strong enough. It's got two 32-inch monitors here, over under. It's quite impressive. I really like it. That's the reason why I got these two monitors. I want to do two monitors. I like doing vertical stuff, if you notice. Two here, two here. I got two more over here, over under. It's the best bang for the dollar to get two monitors in a vertical space. Because looking up is not a big deal, and you can just tilt it. That's what you do. You tilt them, and you have much better space. That's why I like this setup better. These are twin 32s, and that's pretty big. Anyway, guys, if you think this video deserves a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. And the dog barking.